Right. Question. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
What? Very less children joined today. Only 2. Tanishka, Dhananjay. Tanishka, Dhananjay.
Yes, sir.
Good evening. Only 2 children joined today, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
They don't know or what? I put the message late bit, but I don't know whether they have seen or not. But anyway, class will be there every time, right? Like Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So 10th CBSC, and we are doing quadratic equations, right?
Yes, sir.
Which exercise we are doing in this? 4.2, 4.3, which one? See, check once what we are doing. Tanishka, check what. Actually, we have done word problems, I believe, right?
Yes, sir. We did extra problems.
So in solving the roots, 4.3 we started or not, Dhananjay?
We
Sir.
didn't start it.
Sir, we should start at
4.3 should start. Okay. All of you on the camera now. There are 4 children. We'll start. Slowly, they'll join, I think. Okay. Medha, Ivan, Tanishka. So if we can't find the roots, okay. If we can't find the, I told you this formula previously only. If we can't find the roots, there are 2 steps to find the value of x. First, we should find d. D is equals to b square minus 4ac. So what is a, what is b, what is c? So we are comparing this equation. We are comparing this equation by what? Ax square plus bx
Plus bx plus c is equal to 0.
plus c is equals to 0. So if you see here, a is equals to what you will get here? A is equals to 2. See, a is equals to 2, right? If you are comparing, we got a is equals to 2. In place of plus b, what is there? Minus 7. In place of c, we have 3. So right now we got it as a is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 7, c is equals to 3. Clear? After this, you may solve by splitting the middle term, not a problem. But if you are not able to solve, that time you have to find which? First you should find discriminant. The D formula is what? B square minus 4ac. Okay. So b square is 7 minus 7 square. So minus 7 square minus 4 into 2 into 3. Okay. Minus 7 square minus 4 into 2 into 3. Because 4ac, right? So 4, a is 2, c is 3. 7 square, what do we get? 49. If you write here minus 7 square, only 7 square. Answer will be what? 49 and minus 24. So answer will be 25. Okay. So everyone understood the D part, how to find D?
Yes, sir.
After this D, we have to go for X value. X is equals to formula is minus B plus minus root T divided by 2A. So there are 2 formulas we have learned right now. The first formula, what we have learned? D formula, this green one. And second formula is here, X. If these 2 things you know, you can just solve any kind of quadratic equation. You can split or not split. Only you have to put the values and get the answers. Okay. So after solving, you're getting the value of X is 3 or 1 by 2. 3 or 1 by 2. All of you have solved?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
If you have solved, you can do question number 2 and just send me on chat box. Question number 2 you can just do and send me in chat box.
So we already did these questions.
They did no.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, we did.
That's what I'm telling you. How many questions we have done? That was asking here. So we
The
have to
third
do
one we have done. Fourth one also done, so yes, sir.
third one we have done. I
Yes,
told
sir,
you the
this one is
concept. I told you the concept and you have solved this, right?
Yes, sir.
So what problems
This
we
one
have? We are doing word problems or what?
Yes, sir, yes.
Yes, sir. We're in the middle of word problems.
So see, test mark this also we have done, I believe, right? Mathematics and English. I remember, right? Then next question number 6. This one you have done. Diagonal of rectangular field.
Yes, sir. We did it.
Okay. Next question, difference. I was telling you only.
We finished this too.
Yeah, okay, difference if you just
That
find,
was also done, sir.
yeah, you have to find here x square and y square you have to write if you're finding the difference of two squares. Next question is train speed. We have done train speed.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Did you remember?
No,
This will not. We have done, actually, we have done it or not. Let me check once. Not done. Just check once, all of you.
Not done, sir.
not done, sir.
Not done.
Tanishka, check last what you have done, Tanishka.
Sir, seventh
The
one
last one is the difference between
seventh
squares.
difference.
The eighth one we didn't start it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. 8th one we have not started, right? So
Yes.
I'll just erase this part first. Try to understand the question, what is given the question, okay? Try to understand these questions. So here questions are, a train travels 360 kilometer at uniform speed. Means distance we know, that is 360 kilometers, okay? But we don't know the speed of the train, okay? We don't know the speed of the train, okay? So we have to let the uniform speed of the train be x right here, okay? So 3 parts we divide this question. One, we just write here distance, okay? And second, we write here speed. And third, we write here as what? Time, okay? So distance is 360 in both the cases, right? So there are 2 cases will come. So now a train travels 360 kilometer at uniform speed. So let the uniform speed be x. Let the uniform speed of the train, uniform speed of train be x kilometer per hour. So at 360 what we have done, the speed we take it as what? X kilometer per hour, okay? Next one is, so first part is clear and we have written everything from this, right? Next line here is, if Monish, tell me what I should write next. Monish, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Give me just 1 minute. I just joined now, so I'm just reading the question.
Okay, Tanishka, you tell me right now. Next, what I should write here. You can see the screen, Tanishka,
Yes, sir. I can see the screen.
without specs.
Yes, sir. I can see it.
Okay.
X plus 5.
Yeah, now later on speed becomes uniform speed we have let in x later on, right? Next, what happens? Later speed we write here, okay? Later on speed would increase from x to what? X plus 5, right? So right here also we just make in this box also we write what we are just doing here, no? That we write in this box also. So distance, speed and time. So for same distance, now speed is increasing to 5 kilometers. Before it was x, now becomes what? X plus 5. So if this is the speed now, so it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. So there are 2 speed over here. First one is x, second one is x plus 5. If it is running by second speed, okay, second one. So difference between the time is how much? 1 hour.
Yes.
It means we have to write this also in this whole formula in time form. Okay. So time for, if you write, what is the time formula? Time is equals to
Distance by speed.
Distance
distance
by
by speed. Right. So we get 2 over here, 360 by x, one time we get for the first one, right?
61.
And
Yes, sir.
second case, 360 divided by x plus 5. Which is more? Second one is more or first one is more? Which is more over here?
Second one.
Second one.
second one is more.
First one is more. I'm not talking about the speed. Which speed is more? I'm talking about overall time, which is taking more time.
Okay, so then the time, the first one will be more.
First.
So if this both are same, so the speed which is having less speed, that will take more time, right? So difference between both is given as 1 hour. Difference between this is what? Is equals to 1 hour. Clear now, children? So you have to solve this only, the value of x, and tell me the answer. All of you solve now. So your equation now is 360 divided by x minus 360 divided by x plus 5 is equals to 1. Okay. You can solve now. Take the LCM and solve for x. Okay. Take the LCM and solve for x. We have to take LCM here. X and x. We take the LCM here. X and x plus 5. We call it as butterfly rule. What is butterfly rule? So this both you just multiply. This more you multiply. Okay. That is butterfly rule, what we call. So LCM would be x into x plus 5. If you use butterfly rule, what you'll get? 360 into x plus 5 minus 360x is equals to 1. Okay. So 360x plus 360 into 5, what do you get? 1800, right? Minus 360x is equals to x square plus 5x. We're just cross multiplying we are doing over here. So this is in denominator, that we go to other side becomes what? X square plus 5x. Now if you see, this will get cancelled. Okay. So now what is the equation here? X square.
Square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0.
1800 is equals to 0. Now you have to split the middle term. All of you do.
Sir, I got the splittings.
What you got the splitting?
45x and minus 40x.
Okay. So 45 and 40. So 45 should be positive x and 40 should be negative x. Then only answer will be what? Plus 5. Later on your sign would be changed. Okay. Dhananjay got the answer is 40 km/h. Dhananjay, if you've done this question, you can go for question number 9th. So here x square plus 45x minus 40x minus 1800 is equals to 0. So x plus 45 minus 40 x plus 45 is equals to 0. So further if you solve, this coming as x plus 45 and x minus 40 is equals to 0. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 40 and minus 45. This you write in exam, this is rejected. You should write clearly. Why this is rejected? As
Time will not be negative.
this x is time.
Oh, sorry, speed will not be negative. Sorry.
as speed cannot be negative, right? So X is your 40. So in the question, what they have asked, find the speed of the train. So simple. So uniform speed of the train was X. So X is 40. That's all. Now we do next question. That is question number tap question. Okay. So this is just like tap and this one, like work time, pipe cistern. Okay. Will work same only. 1 day work or 1 hour work you should find. That is the only concept what you have to use. Okay. So 2 taps together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. So both will fill a tank in how many hours? 9 3/8. So in 1 hour, how much it finish? That's reciprocal of that, right? So first of all, you should do reciprocal and get 1 hour work. Always work and time question, pipe and cistern question, you have to do as per 1 hour work or 1 day work, depending on the question. So in the questions given as 2 water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. So I'll erase what I've solved down. Okay, 1 minute. Or I'll take this. Yeah. What we have to let here, that you should think. If you understood how to let, then solving part you know easily. That any method you can solve by splitting or by Sridharacharya rule. That is b square minus 4ac1. Okay. So both taps, see, 2 taps together, 2 tap together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. Okay. It means if you convert this 9 8 is 70 to 75/8 hours. Okay. So this much hours taking to complete the tank, to fill the tank in 75/8 hours. In 1 hour, how much will fill?
8/75. Sorry,
8
sir,
by,
sorry. Yes.
in 1 hour, how much time will fill? 8/75. Suppose
Yes.
one person, one example I'm giving, one person is taking 12 days to finish a work, right? So in 1 day, how much he can finish? 1/12, right? Because there are 12 parts. In 1 day, how much part he can finish? 1 out of 12. Clear? Then only every day just keep on doing the work. Similarly, if 2 taps cannot fill a water in 75/8 hours, then in 1 hour, how much they'll finish? 8/75 hours, HRS hours. Okay. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours. 10 hours less than the smaller one. So let smaller tap take XR. Okay. Take X hour to finish the tank. Then larger tap, how much will take? Larger tap will take how much time?
Minus
X
10.
plus 10.
X plus 10 or minus 10?
Minus 10.
X minus 10. That's all.
So why X minus 10?
Read the question. Tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less. If a smaller one is taking here X hours. So compared to this, how much the larger tap is taking? X minus 10 hours. Correct or not?
Okay, yeah, okay, sir. Yes, sir. It's 10. Yes.
Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. You should find generally time only you have to find. So if a smaller tap can fill in X hours, so in 1 hour, how much it can finish? That you should check over here. Okay. In 1 hour, how much it finish? So I'm erasing again over here. So A smaller tap take x hours, larger tap take x minus 10 hours. Okay. So in 1 hour, how much this will get finished? In 1 hour, 1 by x.
1 by
right?
x and 1 by x minus 10.
And here is in 1 hour, larger tap will fill 1 by x minus 10 hours. Okay. So both together, if I write plus, both together in 1 hour, how much they can finish? 8 by
75.
5. This is for both the taps. So 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10 is equals to 8 by 75. Now for calculation, what I have done previous, same way you can solve this one also. Okay. Solve for x and tell me the answer for this. Find the value of x. Write in the chat box, children. Dhananjay got the answer. Anyone else? Dhananjay, do the next question, 10th one, if you have with you the questions in NCERT. Do question number 10th if you can.
Yes, sir.
Similar question, train question is mentioned over there. You can do that.
I don't have these questions in my book textbook.
Okay, fine. See this question here. Nobody found the answer, only except Dhananjay, right? Except Dhananjay, nobody got the answer till now. Monish, why so late? Arey baap re. I need to solve this. Dhananjay, I think you solved before only this question. That's why you solved fast, right?
Yes.
10th one you have done, 10th one.
Sir, I'm doing.
Okay. Those who are not understanding how to solve it fast, look over here, okay? So question here is, here LCM what you can take x into x minus 10 and here x minus 10 plus x is equals to 8 by 75. So 2x minus 10 divided by x square minus 10x is equals to 8 by 75. Do cross multiplication now. So what do you get on cross multiplication? 75 into 2x minus 10 will get 150 x minus 750 is equals to 8x square minus 80x. Okay. Now this you bring to left hand side. What you get? 8x square minus 80x minus 150x minus 750 is equals to 0. So 8x square minus 15, 8, 23, 230x minus 750 is equals to 0. So we can divide whole thing by 2 to make it easier. So we'll get 4x square minus 115x minus 375 is equals to 0. Now we have to split the middle term now. Okay. So if you multiply this both, what will you get? 750 and 1500, right? 1500 you'll get minus product is this one. Sum if you find minus 115x.
Sir, if you bring 8x square minus 80x to the other side, wouldn't it be minus 8x square plus 80x?
Yeah, other side if you took, they will come. Yeah. Means you try to bring this one, you are bringing this one to left hand side.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can do that, no problem.
Oh, okay.
But what generally we do, no, we prefer that x square coefficient is positive. We prefer that one. That's why we're bringing this one to right hand side. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now what is the product here? If you see 100, I think 100 and what 15. And if you, how this will come minus, both should be minus, right? Something is wrong we have done. Here plus 750 will come, children. Plus, here also plus. So this is plus, then only will come, otherwise it won't come. So both are minus. Then you can just put the value, this 115 in place of what? Minus 115x. Now we solve here. So 4x square minus 100x minus 15x plus 375 is equals to 0. So common is 4x, x minus 25 minus 15, x minus 25 is equals to 0. So x minus 25 and 4x minus 15 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 25 or 15 by 4. So in the question what they have asked, that is find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. So if you take 25, so first one will just take 125 days. First we'll take how many days? 25 days, means 1 by 25. In 1 hour you can finish 1 by 25. So it will take how many days? 25 days to finish it. Okay. Next, if you put 25 over here, you'll come with 15 days, right? So if you're considering 25, this will come 25 days here and 15 days. Yeah, correct. The 25 comma 15 days both the tap will take the time. Okay. Next, why this is not the correct answer? 15 by 4. If you put 15 by 4, the first tap is filling how much? 14 by 15, 4 by 15, and second one is like that only, right? Why second answer is not correct? Anyone can tell me? Dhananjay, why second answer is not correct?
Sir, if we take the larger tap and if we minus it with 10, we'll get the negative value.
Okay. If you put this children in this value, okay, 1 by x minus 10, we get negative value. That's why this is not possible. So this is neglected. Okay. This part is neglected. So you have to write 25 and 15. That's all. Okay. So right now you have done train sums. Okay. So train sum, same again, sum has come here. Similar concept. Try all of you. Just I'll wait for 2 minutes. If you're not getting, you tell me. I'll explain once again. Anyone who is not getting the question only? Monish, you got question?
No, sir, I'm not quite able to understand it.
See, what is given that you read? See, here is given that 1 hour less. The express train is 1 hour less means what? Speed will be what? More than passenger train compared to that, right?
Yes, sir.
So in this kind of question, you can make 3 parts again. Before we have done 3 parts. Same way here also you do distance, speed and time. 3 parts you can make. Okay. So how much distance the train has to cover? 132, right? Both cases 132 only. Clear? Difference between express train and a passenger train is how much? 1 hour. Clear? So how do you find the time? Distance by speed. So right now we don't know the speed, right? So from here, what is happening? First line is clear to us. Right now, see, an express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train. So we have written here 1. Okay. To travel how much distance? 132 kilometers between some Mysore and Bangalore. So we're at least bothering about where Mysore and Bangalore. This part got over. Everything is clear now. Next part is given that find if the average speed of the express train is 11 kilometer per hour more than this passenger train. So what you should write here, Monish, for passenger train and express train, what you should write? Speed is given, average speed of the express train, that is 11 kilometer per hour more than that of passenger train. So what you should consider for passenger as well as express? What we should write here? Monish, tell me what we can write. Do you have any idea, Monish? Ivan, Karthik, can you tell me? What is
Sir,
the...
Sir, I have no idea, sir. I'm not able to understand the question properly.
See, it's clearly given, Ivan. The first question we have already read. The distance, time, and speed. We are having three terms over here: distance, time, and speed. So distance, we have to travel 132 kilometers. First line is clear to you? First line 132, 132.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can
Ansini, what happened? Tell me.
you hear me, sir?
Yeah, now I can hear. Why your mic is proper now?
Yeah, sir, that's why.
Okay. The difference between timing here, Yvonne, difference between express train and your passenger train is 1 hour. So it's distance and time is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now we are just thinking about here speed one. So what we have to let this.
Sir, we can take average speed as x and x plus 11.
So X kilometer for which train? Express or
Av-
passenger?
For passenger, sir, average speed of passenger is x.
Good. The passenger
And
train we take it as X. And this
express
one,
train is x plus 11.
X plus 11. Fine. Understood, Ivan? What is happening here? This is for
Yes, sir.
passenger train. This is for express train.
Yes, sir.
Difference between the timing. This is timing and this timing. Difference between this both the trains is what? 1. That only you have to solve. That's all.
Yes, sir.
So which will take more time? Passenger or express?
Express.
Express train will take more time.
Sir, passenger.
Passenger train. So here this is the speed of what? This is the time taken by passenger train if you do.
Oh, sir. Oh, okay, okay. So express 11. Yeah.
So passenger train first you write because it's taking long time. The 132 divided by x, we are writing in time form, minus 132 divided by x plus 11 is equals to 1, because difference between both the train timing should be what? 1. That only I have written here. After this you can solve and get the value of x. That's all. So Ivan, Karthik, if you are not understanding in the middle, you can ask any time. While asking, you are telling you are not understanding this. So have or if you can message in the chat box if you're not understanding.
Okay, sir.
Okay, it's clear to everyone. So question number 10th. Just tell me the answer for x now. Ivan, Karthik, if you understood, you should off your mic. Huh? Ivan,
Sir.
if you understood something, you should off your mic or off your camera. Huh?
Sir, I went to drink some water.
Okay. Keep your bottle ready on the top. When to drink some water. So fast you went and came. Huh? Like express train only. Huh? So we got the answer here as 33 and 44. So we have just solved and get the answers. Okay. It's very, very easy question. Nothing to worry on this. Okay. So till here we solved. This red part I'm erasing and solving once again. Okay.
Yes.
So now what we should do, take the LCM here, x and x plus 11. So 132, use butterfly rule, x plus 11 minus 132x is equals to 1. Now do multiplication over here. What you get? 132x plus, if you multiply, what you get? 1432 will get?
Yes, sir. 1452, I think so, sir.
1452. Okay. So 1452 minus 132x divided by x square plus 11x is equals to 1. So this part got cancelled. You can write here now x square plus 11x minus 1452 is equals to 0. Okay. So then you have done here splitting the middle term. So we are getting easily here. See, 11 should be the difference, right? So 11 3s are 30, 3 3s and 11 is here also, right? 11. So difference is 11. So what we have to consider over here?
So
44
44 minus 30.
Okay, 44 and 33. So 44x in plus and negative 33x. So write down x square plus 44x minus 33x minus 1452 is equals to 0. So x common, x plus 44, 33 common, x plus 44 is equals to 0. So x plus 44 and x minus 33 is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 44 and 33. So negative speed is not possible, so rejected. So 33 is the speed for passenger train. Express train would be 33 plus 11. Okay, that becomes 44. मत जाओ
ऐसे कैसे? ऐसे कैसे?
स्विच नहीं लगाया उसने.
हाँ.
So those who have done this, they can do question number 11th. So now question number 11th. We have done before also, right? Square is coming into picture. So we have to consider two variables over here, x as well as y, right? So sum of the area of two squares. So take take two squares over here. One side is x, another square side will be y. You can consider that, okay? So if you add both the areas, so you get 468. If you add both the areas, what you will get? 468 meters square. If the difference in the perimeter is 24, if the difference in the perimeter is 24. I'll try it over here. If you try, you all of you can do easily. But few children will not understand. That's why I'm explaining over here. Okay. So we have let here first square is of x square. Okay. Here they have let here what? So larger sides of the square is what? Y. Let the larger side of the square is what? Y. Okay. I'll write here. Let the larger the square is having side what? Y. You can use anything, no problem. Y meters. Okay. The smaller if you see, it will be having x. So x square plus y square is equals to what? 468. So first equation is clear to everyone, right? Similarly, you can do for perimeter. So 4x plus 4y is equals to 24. So first equation we have here. And second equation 4x plus 4y is equals to 24. We can take common here 4x plus y is equals to 24. So x plus y is equals to what? X plus y is equals to 6 meters. Sorry.
So this is the difference of the perimeters, right? So it has to be 4y minus 4x.
Okay, difference is given. All right, fine. So larger is y, no?
Yes, sir. 4y minus 4x.
Okay, 4y minus 4x we should write then. So 4y minus 4x. So y minus x is equal to 6. Second equation, okay? We can solve first and second and get the answer for x and y. Okay. Then solve all of you, solve. So from here you can get y is equals to 6 plus x. That you can put in equation number 1, you'll get the answer for y, that's all. The second equation you can use in question number 1. Okay. Ivan, this much you understood, Ivan? Or this much you are also not understanding? Tell me correctly.
I understood, sir.
Okay. Ivan got the answer for X and Y. Nobody has messaged till now. I don't know why. Why is your calculation is so slow? Rainy, you have done?
I'm splitting the middle, sir.
Okay. This was the last question, or yeah. This was the last question for this exercise, okay? So now if you have any doubt anywhere, first, second, third exercise, you can ask. Okay. Having any doubts, you can ask questions. I'm waiting for your answers, waiting for your questions, both the ways. So, what is the formula of D, Medha Hansini? How do you find D? D formula is
So B square minus 4AC.
X is equals to what you should write after that?
So,
X is equals to, after finding D, you are finding no X.
okay.
X is equals to,
Minus B plus or minus root D by 2A.
yeah, that's all right.
Yes.
Fine. So one question I'm asking is split in the middle term. Okay, you just answer me right now. So 5 root 3, and here is 3 root 3. Okay. 1 minute, I'll change the question only. Here is 5. Okay. 5 root 5 and 3 root 5. X square plus 20x plus 30. This one 0. What is the value of X? All of you tell me. What is the value of X? Let me check how many of you are getting the correct answer for X.
Sir, I think one is 0 and root 5.
0 you're getting.
Yes, sir.
How 0 will come? See, what is the product of the root? What is product of the roots?
75, sir. 55, sir.
Okay.
Plus sum of the roots 20x, right? So
15
very
and
easy.
5.
Yeah, 15 and 5, that's all. 15x and 5x. Put here. So here taking common only is a bit difficult here to you people. And take first only 5x.
Mm.
Again plus 15x plus 3 root 5. Okay, is equals to 0. So common in first is what? 5x. So root 5x plus 1. And here what is common in this two? 3 root 5 only is common. Sorry, 3 only is common, I believe, right? 3, no. Root 3 root 5 is fine. So root 5x plus 1. So here you can write root 5x plus 1 is equals to, or you can write bracket into 5x plus 3 root 5 is equals to 0. How you are getting 0? I don't know. See, either root 5x plus 1 should be equal to 0 or 5x plus 3 root 5 is equals to 0. Okay. So
Okay,
x
I
is equal-
done wrong in one step, sir, so I got wrong.
Sir,
Okay,
even I said my answer, sir.
that's all. Or you can rationalize if you want. You can rationalize the further also. This is the final answer. That's all. Okay, children, that's for today. So from NCRT, almost we have finished. Last exercise, nothing is there. Okay, last exercise, only they're asking the value of something and all. Okay, whether roots exist or not. Okay, and then they're asking the value of k if roots are equal. Then fifth one, they're asking like that whether this rectangle is possible or not. So like this only is there. Try to finish this whole exercise from NCRT. Okay, from
So can you
4.1
show
to
the last question what you did before?
last one. What I did, that root question you are saying.
Yes, sir.
That is only my own question. I just wrote here. That's all here. Those children, those who have done, they can leave and try to finish everything from NCERT. Okay, from this chapter. Yes.
So can we leave the answer here or do we have to rationalize it in the exam?
No problem. This also is fine. If you want to remove the denominator root from the denominator, you can do that also. So into root 5, divide by root 5. So root 5 by 5 will come. That's all.
Okay, sir.
But anything is fine. Yeah. Shall I close the meeting, children?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.